Yo, what up? So I'm faced with a dilemma here. At the time of this recording, the internet on, well, actually CenturyLink, who is responsible for the internet on the West Coast or the Midwest, is down. So I might not be able to upload this video on time because said internet is down. That being said, still gonna record, and maybe if I don't get it out today, I'll just double up tomorrow. Whatever, no big deal. Anyways, quick little update. Was able to meet up with some friends last night actually, and we had an amazing discussion over dinner, and it just further ingrains my gradual or progressive realization of my worthy ideal. Because as I mentioned to them, as I communicate or come in contact with individuals and leave the impression of increase, right, I make room for more growth, more ideas. And I just further realize why community is so important, right? Because without community, all that stays within you and there's no room for growth, right? So if you have an idea, whatever it may be, keep sowing that idea, because by law, as you sow, so shall you reap. So you want to continue to sow, and don't worry about when you reap, all right? Do it without the thought of reaping. And I came across like an idea for a topic. Basically, in the internet marketing space, everybody is talking about make your first $10,000 a month by doing this, by downloading this software, yada, yada, yada. But if you can come off as a journey to 10K a month begins with that first dollar, right? And I believe that earning your first dollar on the internet is, one, easy to do, but not at the same time, right? So focus on the actual action itself and the process itself, and keep sowing. Whatever actions that you're taking towards your goals, just keep sowing, because you never know when that reaping is going to happen. And so often I see individuals, or I communicate with individuals, just when they're about to hit that peak, or they don't even know because they just quit or give up, right? So like, continue to mentor others, continue to like get out in your community and figure out what is that strong need, that strong desire within that community, and serve it. You know, if a product and service doesn't exist, go set forth and create that product or service. Right now with my mastermind group, that's exactly what we're doing, because our community is underserved, so we're looking to create products and services to help, establish a real community, a real fostering community where they can see massive growth within their business, within their personal development, and they can set forth and pay it forward as well. And I think that is like such an awesome thing to do. And I would be doing this even if I wasn't getting paid for it, which is exactly what I'm doing, because I am so passionate about this. That's why, right? So find something that you are that passionate about, that even if you do not get paid for, you can enrich the lives of others, right? Anyway, going to just end this little quick video here, try to figure out how I can get this up to you guys. And yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at your boy.